Hi, my name is Uzi Kamal. I'm from Hendersonville, North Carolina. This is the second time I've showed up to one of these awesome courses. We have a spectacular group of instructors. I came here a second time because I felt like the training was so good. I felt like I can sharpen some of the skills I learned the first time around. I even got a chance to bring a patient. I almost brought two, but I brought a patient with me from Hendersonville. Patient got treated. I got a chance to do the treatment, and the supervision was excellent. I also brought two of my assistants. The assistants learned a lot. They're so happy they came. You get to go in as deep as you want. You jump in as deep as you want. They ask you what sort of treatments you're interested in getting to get better at or see or do. They pair you up with a doc. I met some awesome doctors from all over the country, made some good connections, and did some really cool stuff. So I definitely recommend it. If you're thinking about it, it's a great program. There's a lot of opportunity to do sedation, continuum of courses, and then just come in for a surgical weekend. Either way, you're going to get a good benefit, and you're going to have a good time, and you won't regret it.